Okay, hi everyone, it's Alyssa Lulu and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a wash and go. I just washed my hair, but it's not looking how I want it. So I'm gonna rewash it. So I decided to film this video. I got a request from one of my friends. So yeah, I'm just gonna do it. Let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm just gonna start off with parting my hair first, down the middle. And I'm taking my water, this is just water, there's nothing in it, and I'm wetting my hair. I'm not gonna be in the shower, so I'm just showing you how I would wash my hair in the shower. So I'm just gonna get my hair pretty saturated and damp, not damp, but like almost soaking, but not quite there yet. Okay, this seems good. And I'm going to grab, I usually have a wide tooth comb, but I don't feel like going to the bathroom where it is, so I'm just gonna use my paddle brush and I'm gonna comb out my hair. Okay, so my hair is all combed out. So then, since the side of my hair is all combed out, I'm going to be taking my Argan Care Natural Hair Care Macadamia Shampoo for dry and damaged hair. And I'm just going to be lathering it just on my roots. Now that my hair has the shampoo in it, I'm gonna go ahead and take this like massager and massage my scalp and recomb out my hair with it. And I'm doing like circular motions with strokes. So I will go and then comb it out. Section it in half and then do a twist so I can do the other side of my hair. Okay, now that that's done, I'm just gonna go ahead and hop in the shower and rinse out my hair. Alright, I'm back and I rinsed out all of the shampoo, hopefully. I think I did. But yeah, I just threw it up in a towel. I know you're not supposed to put it in a towel, but I don't mind it on my hair. My hair feels fine, it's not breaking or anything. So, I know it's not good for it, but still, I just like to do this when I'm trying to get it really fast. And I'm going to take it out. And then I'm taking my coconut water natural hydrating conditioner by Ren Pure Professional. I mean, I got this from like Marshall's for like 10 bucks. So it's really cheap and you get like 34 ounces in it. I've tried the coconut milk one and I kind of think I like this one a little bit better. So yeah, I'm just gonna take like half of the bottle basically and just like drown my hair in it. now that I've applied the conditioner throughout all of my hair, I'm gonna go back in with my little scalp massager and comb out my hair again. And once I'm done combing this out, I'm just gonna run in the shower and rinse it out again, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I left like maybe like 10% of the product in my hair. I like to leave a little bit of the conditioner in my hair. I don't know why, I just like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and like kind of dry my hair again, but not really. I'm gonna take it out really fast because I still kind of want it wet. And I'm not going to comb it out because it's already combed out and I like it like this. For styling now, I'm going to style my hair with the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Curl a Law Defining Curl Custard. So it's really good for natural hair. I'm going to take about this much and rub it through my hands and get it like nice and like in there. And I'm just going to start off with the perimeters and the part in my hair. I'm going to take about kind of the same amount, run it through my hands again, part my hair, and just put half of it in each part of my hair. Okay, now that that is in my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and put this away into the side, and I'm going to grab my Kinky Curly Not Today detangling cream, and I use this for styling, but I only use like the smallest amount. I'm gonna use probably about like a dime size amount for my whole head. I'm running it through my hands, and I'm just using it to kind of, I use it to kind of seal in what I just placed in my hair. And then I'm like kind of focusing more on the ends. I'm massaging it into my hair, making sure that it gets into every part of my head. And then I leave it as a middle part. It's not perfect. I like it messy because the hair, I don't know, my hair just looks best like that. And I'm going to let it air dry, and hopefully it'll air dry before I have to go to work, because I have to go to work. And if not, then I'll just show you guys like a snap of me at the end with my hair completely dried. Okay, but that's it for the video, I think. Okay, so that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys don't already, please follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and like and subscribe.